Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix Instagram Reels black screen problem. For that, you need to go to Instagram account, and here you can see here I have the black screen of Instagram stories and Reels. Like this, we have the problem. So for that, we need to go to our net connection. Here you can see the my internet connection is off. So I was owning my internet connection. After owning, you can see uh, the problem was gone until after running the internet also the problem was not gone. Means just go to Play Store. After Play Store you need to search the Instagram account or searching Instagram. After searching Instagram, uh, here after searching Instagram, here we need to update your Instagram account. So I was updating. After updating, the problem will be sorted out. Just after updating, just recheck the your Instagram account. So here now I was typing Instagram reels. The Instagram reels was coming. If you have a problem, the problem will be sorted like this. Thank you.